Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You will be able to see the 4 anti-parasites on your engine, which will let you access the spark plugs. We suggest being very careful not to get the coils mixed up with each other. Take the ends of the anti-parasite and pull on it to remove it. Be careful, you must never pull on the wire. Insert a 60mm spark plug socket with a big extender into the holes and loosen the spark plug with a socket wrench. Since the threading is very long, after you have got it going, put the wrench down and unscrew by hand to save time. Take out the old spark plug and check that it is identical to the new one. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket. Since it is so fragile, start this off by hand, giving the proper support the plug needs before finishing the process with a wrench. Always start screwing by hand and finish using a wrench, 1/16 of a turn. To remove the spark plug socket and avoid it getting stuck in the hole, you will need to make the small lateral back and forward movements again. Put the anti-parasite back on, pushing it in as far as possible. You should be able to hear a little click when it slots into place. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Operation completed.